Evelyn. I'm gonna do her makeup today. We're gonna do a rose gold cut crease type of look. Stay tuned. So Evelyn wears glasses, and apparently she can't see without them.
Not at all.
So then she can't see herself until like the end after she puts her glasses back on. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna clip her hair out of the way as well. So Evelyn, you take your glasses off.
Okay.
I'm going to start off with Clinique's moisturizer, and I'm going to put it on the back of the sponge. Just going to moisturize your whole face. Evelyn, do you have dry skin or oily skin?
Honestly, it's a mix of both. Like in my T-zone, I'll be oily, and then on the outer parts of my face, I'll be dry.
I'm going to take Born This Way foundation in Natural Beige. This is Evelyn's foundation. Apparently, it is lighter than her now or darker than her. I don't know.
Darker.
Darker, so you have to lighten it up with concealer and powder afterwards. Take this in the back of my hand. How many pumps do you normally use?
Usually 1.5, well, like around 2. It depends like what
This is
type
a
of.
lot darker than you thought.
Yeah, it is. I got really, really light over the winter.
Did you buy this in the summer?
Yeah.
That's why at Sephora it's so hard matching your
It
skin
is,
tone.
and also like the
lighting inside is so weird. And like
so
I feel like the Sephora workers, they want to make you darker. Always.
They do.
Like every single time I go in there, I'll be like, I'm this shade, they'll be like, no, you're darker than that. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take this blending brush and just blend everything in. Okay, now I'm gonna conceal with the Born This Way concealer in Natural Beige as well. And then contouring with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toast. I'm gonna blend everything in with the Beauty Blender again. Look up. I'm gonna take Maybelline's Fit Me powder and bake with it. This is in shade light medium. Look up. This is the inspiration picture. There. So we're gonna be doing a cut crease with like glitter and like rose gold in it. I'm gonna take soft ochre paint pot and just a synthetic brush to put it on. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty Nude palette in the shade Fair. It's this white, you guys see that? This shade right here. And I'm gonna put it all over her eyelid and up to the brow bone. Close your eyes. Okay, now I'm gonna, okay, it's the shade Tickle right over here, and I'm gonna put that into her crease. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna take the shade Teddy and just put it in her outer V, like in the crease right here.
Okay, so what is the weirdest food combination that you enjoy?
Buttermilk and rice.
Buttermilk and just rice and buttermilk, like
Yeah.
2 separate things.
Yeah, like just I take buttermilk and I take rice and I mix them together and eat it. I've never told anyone that, girl. Yeah. Wow, I can't believe I thought of that. Yeah, that was like my favorite thing to eat when I was a kid. Just buttermilk and rice. I'm gonna take the shade Raw and just put it into her crease as well with a smaller blending brush. Actually, sorry, I'm gonna take a flathead brush and just like shape her crease a little bit with that darker brown shade. This one right here. And now I'm gonna cut her crease with a concealer. Just any concealer would work. We're gonna take the shade Crave. It's that one right there. Okay, close your eyes.
You don't say that much, but she just gets her face wet.
I'm actually gonna just take my finger and
Yeah.
put it on her eyelid.
Did you find that question?
I'm gonna take these Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Kitten Karma, and I'm gonna make a line going from here in her crease all the way up to here.
Ooh, how do you judge a person?
I'm gonna judge a person.
Like,
But the first time first time I meet someone, if they are not like, I'm someone that like, when I meet someone, like, I meet a lot of people, right? So if I meet someone, I'm like, how are you? Like, I ask questions, like, I get to know them, like, how old are you? What school do you go to? Like, that's just how I am. And if someone, like, it's like, oh, like, she asked too many questions. You know, how am I supposed to, like, know who you are?
Yeah.
I can't answer any of these ones.
How do I judge a person? I think like when, like just based on conversation, like you just kind of get an intuition about people.
Yeah.
Do you get
like, the way I keep a conversation going is based off of what they do. Like,
exactly, you know? Yeah. If like someone's like being like very like closed off and stuff, then you kind of know like, okay, like
they're not ready for
conversation or like they're very introverted or like someone's like giving you the same energy back, then you can continue it.
I kind of judge a person based on not how they are with me by themselves, but how they are with me with other people around.
Yeah, that's a really big thing.
Because like people do change when other people are, especially if they're close friends.
Especially guys.
Yeah.
Guys change so much if they're with like their guy friends and like, you know.
And they're just with you.
Yeah.
Not even just their guy friends, if someone else is also there with you.
I'm gonna take the shade Bare again and just gonna put it in her brow.
What is your funniest nickname?
I don't want to say it on camera.
Yeah, me neither.
The worst thing my dad ever did to like me and my brother is like on Christmas, we were like, we want all these toys, right? He's like, okay, so he got us like a Toys R Us flyer. He's like, circle all the toys that you guys want and I'll go get them for you. But me and my brother were pumped, right? We're like circling all these toys. And then he's like, okay, give me 5 minutes, let me go get ready, right? So he takes the flyer to his room, cuts out every single circle, comes back, gives us the circle, he's like, here. So all the toys in the Toys R Us flyer, me and my brother were heartbroken. And like, even now, like, we're still like sad about it. My mom was like, that was such a mean thing that you did to the kids. Like, they're scarred, you know what I mean? Okay, I'm gonna take the SmashBox contour kit in light medium and just contour her face and brush off the bake as well. The middle shade, the bronze shade, and just like bronze up her cheeks and a little bit up here as well. The highlight shade from this and just brush off the bake finally. Look up. I'm gonna take this blush from Physicians Formula. It's in the shade Rose. And I'm gonna take it on the apples of her cheeks now. This brush again, the blending brush, is gonna put this shade. I'm gonna take some Teddy and a little bit of this and just like put it underneath her eyes.
Do you think we'll make it in time for golden hour pictures?
I'm gonna try to do Rubina's way quicker.
Okay.
We're not gonna talk as much in Rubina's video. Look up.
What about the opposite sex confuses you the most?
Why are you so dumb?
Yeah.
Like, actually, holy fuck, dude. Like, can you take a hint?
Seriously. Say it louder.
Do I just spell it out for you? Like,
Even then, they can't even read. Like, straight up.
So dumb.
So dumb.
Look up. What are you gonna say? Bitch, I'm gonna say that on you.
I'm trying to tell you to date me without me saying date me. Get it?
I don't wanna ask you, you gotta ask me. And then I'm gonna say no a couple times. And then also
Like, don't you know this? Common sense. Look up.
like, nakri hamde.
Should I put down on this side? No, I didn't do anything yet.
It's like, mere nakri samjha kar. Like,
I know.
I gotta say no so I can tell my friends I said no and then I can say it.
It's so funny. It's so accurate though.
Dude, man, my nakri are the worst.
Look up.
Yo, if your kids get your nakri, I'm not babysitting.
I'm gonna take Orchid Studios lip liner and just line her eyes, and we'll be back in a second. I'm gonna be filling in her brows with the KaBrow by Benefit, and it's in the shade focus. It's in the shade 3.5.
First.
I'm gonna highlight her face using the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Uranus.
So really
This is what it looks like.
Can I see it?
Crunchy.
Oh wow, it's
Can you see it?
Yeah, I
can you see it?
Just a little bit closer, please.
I'm gonna take the Rimmel Stay Matte But Not Flat powder in the shade Sandstorm. Take the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Lovely, and I'm just gonna use a brush to line her lips and fill it in.
Do you tell us, Harrison? What's the weirdest crush you've had?
I had a crush on this guy that like used to skip school a lot, and he was just like, he got expelled too.
I guess he worked for the bad boys.
I know. I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara in the shade Blackest Black, and I'm gonna do her mascara. And this is her own mascara, so we are not cross-contaminating with anyone else's. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, do you want to put your glasses on?
Okay, are we filming my reaction?
Yes.
Okay.
Well,
Dude, it looks so good. I love the cheeks now. I know why you're saying that you
dude, she does look
Yeah, you blended the cheeks so nicely. Okay, everyone hit up Harrison for their makeup needs because like A1 makeup artist right here. Dang, man. Yo, it looks so nice.
Okay guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. It took us like, what, 2 hours?
Yeah.
We're talking so much and like, I was so distracted. There are some like good stories that we told, and I will be cutting out a lot of stuff too.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Evelyn, for being my model and testing me. Anyways, bye guys.
Bye. Alright.
Oh, she does.
Keep the makeup on.